the track bar because I think it's a pretty cool item or tool or whatever. I think it's pretty cool, and why not show you guys how to use it. Alright, so we're just gonna hop straight in here and grab ourselves a track bar. Now this video is gonna be, it's gonna have a little bit more code in, because usually it's just like, there's not very much code in, but now we're kind of getting a little bit farther into it, and there's gonna be more actual code. Okay, so we need a track bar and we need a button. Well, we don't need a button, but we're gonna use one for this example. Okay. I'm gonna rename the button to, what should I name it? Where is the thing? We're just gonna name it, send message box. And it doesn't fit on there, so we'll have to make the button a little bit bigger. There we go. Alrighty. So for the track bar, we're gonna change a few of the properties for it. So we're gonna go down here and we're gonna change it to maximum. We only want 3. Minimum 1. Now you can see there's 3 options here, so I could slide it over 3. Okay. I think that's all we need to change. Yeah, that should be good. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is click the, actually we're gonna change the name of it. That's the thing we need to do. Where's the name? We're just gonna name it TB for track bar. Alright, so we're gonna double click our button and we're gonna do if TB dot value equals 1, then message box, and we'll just do track bar is set to 1. Alright, so now we got that. Ooh. Oh, I think it's just MSG box, my bad. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so there we go. And now we're just gonna go under this and pretty much do the exact same thing. Now you can copy and paste it, but I would recommend you don't, because you want to actually get a feel for typing it all. Just change that 1 to a 2, so if it equals the value 2, we're gonna do message box, and then track bar is set to 2. Alright, there we go. And now we have to do this one more time. Equals 3. Then we're gonna do message box again for the last time. Oops. Set to 3. Right. And I accidentally spelled that wrong there. There we go. So now we're gonna launch our program and try it out. Okay, so if we just click the button, track bar is set to 1. And if we just drag it, like you just drag it side to side if you never used one of these before, we'll set it to the middle. Oh, there's 4 actually, my bad. Okay, so now it's set to 2. And if we set it to 3, it says 3. Now, I don't think I'll do anything if it's at 4, because I didn't realize that I accidentally put 4, but yeah, we could change that right now. We'll do it. There we go. So, pretty much now you can do this in, you can use this in different spots, obviously. You don't have to have the message box. You can make it do a lot of things. You can make it change the speed of a timer, or the interval of a timer, whatever it is. Interval, whatever. You guys get what I mean. Or you can make it do anything. That's the magic of Visual Basics, pretty much. You can do whatever the heck you want with it. So, there you go, it does anyone you want. There you go. So that's how you use the track bar, and it's a pretty easy tutorial. There's a little bit more coding involved in this tutorial, but I'm sure you guys can handle this little bit of code. It's not that hard. So that's all. You guys can go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. I'll really appreciate that. And we are at 75 subscribers. Well, 74, but I mean, I'm sure by the time I upload this, we'll be at 75. And that's pretty close to 100. We're only 25 away from 100 subscribers.